How to build a raised bed with benches. Higher than most raised beds, this project also has benches to make gardening easier. You can cut the lumber yourself or have it pre-cut at a home improvement store. Create each side assembly by positioning two side slats and the bottom side slat with ends flush. Attach the inner posts with deck screws. Attach a bracket support to the opposite side of each assembly overlapping the two side slats. Then attach the brackets to both the bracket support and the side slats. Place the seat cleat flush with the brackets and attach it to both side slats. Set the first seat flat in place and attach it to both the cleat and the brackets, using a 1/4-inch scrap piece as a spacer. Set the second seat flat in place and attach it to the brackets, then remove the spacer. Next attach each outer post to the side slats. When all 4 side assemblies are complete, place 2 together. They should fit like a puzzle. Attach them, then repeat with the remaining assemblies. Fill with a mix of good quality potting soil and compost. Then plant your favorite botany vegetables, herbs, or flowers. For complete plans and drawings plus planting information,